information for you. So please read along. And it's Epsom salt. And I have some roses inside here already. Some red rose petal. I'll show you. So I already make some already, and I have some left over. But because I have no more Epsom salt left, and I have this pink one with and it's also lavender inside there, so it smells wonderful right now without the essential oils right now. So yeah, so like let's just mash them out a bit. You don't want them to be too small because the Epsom salt is the essential oil is gonna be on it, and what's happening, it's going to be soaking up the Epsom salt. So you don't want them to be so small. So let's go ahead and pour this in and give it a little bit more crush. The ones that did not get crushed up before. And we already, this smell wonderful already, guys. And it's not even have the essential oils in it as yet. So sometime with me, my mouth wants to say something, guys, and it's not coming out of my mouth. So I don't understand sometimes, but anyways, today I'm using a syringe here, and I'm also going to be using two essential oils. This one is lavender, and the other one would be Christmas spirit. Now this one is Christmas spirit. When you mix lavender and Christmas spirit together, it smells wonderful. So that's why I'm going with this today. And right here it is the amount that I want to put in there. I mean, again, you can put any amount you want to be in it. You just don't have to really follow my my lead on this and put the essential oils in it. And always remember, essential oil is always the best to go. Essential fragrance oil is not so much at all. It is not good really, fragrance oil. So go ahead and use essential oil always. So today I am making this Epsom salt with red rose and essential oils. So I'm always say that Epsom salts get a bad rap all the time. There is so much to Epsom salt. Did you know that Epsom salt can relieve pain? Have you guys ever tried to Google Epsom salt and see what benefit Epsom salt has? You should. Again, I'm going to be throwing up some information on the screen for you in front of me, and so you can go ahead and see what I'm doing. So today, if you never catch the video from the beginning, I am making Epsom salt with rose petal. Now on the screen also, I'm gonna be putting up the way you can mix some Epsom salt. You can not only use, you can also use Epsom salt with Emily's salt, the pink one. I believe That's the only pink one they have. But you can mix that one with the red rose as well. So you can just package it right just like this. And I like to give this away because if the person like it, they will actually come back to me, and they will ask for more, or ask me to make a larger one for them. So hoping everybody's having an awesome day. Try to do some relaxation sometime with Epsom salt. Soak your feet, guys. Epsom salt can do wonders. If you have cracked feet as well, Epsom salt will just melt it away. And if you soak yourself in Epsom salt, your feet, it will just the Epsom salt itself will just help to melt that cracked away. And then what you will do is use a rag and just wipe it away. So I mean, that can help a bit, because that hard dry skin that's there, it will help it to soften it up a bit. Now don't forget too that lavender also is a good pain relief as well. So not only that you have the Epsom salt, you also have the lavender as well. Now if you don't want to use the red rose petal, you can go ahead and try to find some lavender petal, and then you can use that as well. So I tried this before where I use the Epsom salt in my bathtub, and I will throw the lavender petal in the bathtub. What I didn't like about it is I did not have any essential oils in it. So with that said, I like to make it this way and put it down, so when I'm ready for it, I have it to use. So it's more better when you make it this way and then put your essential oils in it. So what will happen, the Epsom salt and the rose petal will like soak up all these essential oils, and they will just stay there and combine together. So when you're ready, all you need to do is just pour it in a bathtub. And it's also, like, guys, it's also a good neutralizer for your hair as well, if you need to get your hair fluffy and nice. So Epsom salt is also good for the hair, and it can give your hair a good volume. Epsom salt can also do a good cleaning. If you put some Epsom salt into a spray bottle and just leave it there for a little bit, let it dissolve, it can clean your bathtub, and you can use it to clean wherever you want to clean. So it's just a good cleaning product as well, I find. I don't know if anyone do this, you can let me know, but I use Epsom salt to clean my countertop, and with of course some essential oils as well. So it is great to do so many things. but it's also good for relaxing the body, especially, guys. So I went and I grabbed a couple more bottles because I ran out, and I'm just gonna fill up these what I have, and we'll see how much I have. So, and hopefully I'm not run out very fast, so I have to go back and make again, because what happened is that sometimes I think I have enough bottles, these small little bottles that I got from the dollar store, and then sometime I run out and I have to go back again, because sometimes I make so much samples, I tend to run out of these little bottles fast. So I'm gonna try to scoop out everything that I can from this little container here. So guys, I hope you go and learn to make this Epsom salt here. Try to get some good fragrance oil, not fragrance oil. I am not telling you to use fragrance oil, essential oils. And go try and just check it out. See how much I got from this little leftover Epsom salt that I have. Look how pretty they look. Gorgeous, gorgeous. They're pretty. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And stay tuned for the next video. Hoping everyone is having a lovely day. See you then. Bye.